So, went by the local hobby shop today called Mid-South Hobbies, and they buy stashes from people, and they've been around for at least 30 years, so they've got stock left over for, but I think they get most of these old things from stashes they buy from people. So apparently this is a 1974 kit, according to Scalemates, and it looks awesome. Now, in this particular one, this wasn't in a bag, wasn't, closed up in a bag or whatever, but it looks really good. It ought to be fun to build and try to paint, because I'm trying to learn how to airbrush with my new airbrush compressor and new airbrushes that I got. Here's the instructions. They're, a little funky, but I mean, they're freaking old as can be. Here's step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Of course, I have to read all my instructions with a magnifying glass, so it's not really that big of a deal. There's step 5, 6, 7, 8, and I think that's a European or British paint scheme, and then this is the American USA paint scheme. But I don't know if I'll, exactly follow the paint scheme or not. I hadn't decided yet. But it's pretty cool. Looks like a pretty cool kit. Here's the decals, and I don't know if they'll ever work because of the age of them. I'd be surprised if they did, but that's not that big of a deal to me. I mainly got it so I can learn to airbrush and such. But let me know if you had this kit or ever heard of it before, and we'll see you later.